Hey everybody. Alright, I can't tell you how excited I am right now. My Alesis Nitro mesh kit just arrived via UPS, and I'm gonna proceed to unbox and set it up. So here we go. But I didn't really have the space to, well, I just didn't really feel like messing with it when I was unboxing everything. So there was like a million boxes, as you can see right there. But it was packed really, really well, and I got it set up, and I've just been playing for a while. It took quite a while to set up, actually, because of all the different pieces. It's just a lot of parts. So overall, I just played for about an hour straight, and I was having a lot of fun. And first impressions when I first set it up was that, you know, a lot of the parts of the rack are plastic, like these things here. And I don't know why it's not focusing. Like these little clips and these doodads, certain, you know, like wing nuts and stuff like that. So that's a little bit worrisome for me. But, you know, I just played for about an hour straight and nothing budged at all. You know, of course, that an hour really is nothing. Like, it has to hold up for a while. But, you know, the rack itself is aluminum, so that seems okay. The pads seem really well made. They have well-made mesh heads on them. I was accidentally hitting the rims a bit there. I had it really flat in the beginning because I read some people were saying the rack was too low for them, but it's fine for me, actually. But I am sitting on my makeshift drum throne there. My real throne, which is still at the old studio, is a lot higher, so it may be a different story once I get it back here, but I could always just keep using that. The module itself is pretty good. It's not incredible, but I was able to create a couple of custom kits, and in the next video, I'm going to try to do a song, actually, hopefully tomorrow, and so that way you guys can hear what this thing sounds like. But, you know, the default kits, one of the things I noticed that's a little bit weird is the sensitivity of the hi-hat is way too high when you first set it up, and so the hi-hat is like blaringly loud compared to everything else. But that's easily fixed with just adjusting some settings on the module. And I just went ahead and created 2 custom kits of my own, which is also pretty easy to do. It's a little bit limited. Actually, I haven't read the manual, so it may do more than I think it does. But just by, you know, fiddling around with the controls there, you can go into kit and then edit. Is it edit? Something, utility. There's a few different things you can do. You can tap voice and scroll through the different voices and sort of create your own kits. And I'm using right now the Alesis pedal that came with it, but I will probably use my double bass drum pedal once I get it back. The bass drum pad itself is a little bit loud compared to the rest. So I put a piece of cardboard under the rug too, just to hopefully not bug my downstairs neighbors too badly. Hopefully they can't really hear it. So, you know, it's louder than the pads. The pads themselves are actually quite quiet. I mean, they barely make a sound. Cymbals are a little louder. And the bass drum pad. The hi-hat pedal is probably my least favorite part of the whole kit so far. The sensitivity of it is a little bit weird, you know, but it's still good. I mean, for $300, I think this is, or $350, I think this is a good deal. You know, I haven't really bought, well, I made an electronic drum set a long time ago, and that one was, you know, nothing compared to this, really. It was pretty janky. And then I had a used Yamaha DTX 500 that I literally just bought because it was cheap on Craigslist just to sell it on eBay. So I never really played with it that much. But that one was a higher quality kit, I only set it up for like a minute just to test it. But, I mean, this one seems just as good as that one did, you know, in first impression. I mean, the module on that one I think was better. But overall, it looks really, really cool. And then when I'm done playing it, I can always slide it back, you know, on the whole rug. It fits on this rug I got at Amazon for like 20 bucks. Perfect fit. And yeah, so I'm really happy so far. So yeah, tomorrow hopefully I'll get something recorded and have a new video for you guys to check out. So anyway, this is the Alesis Nitro Mesh drum set, electronic drum set. Alright, so I went ahead and turned them around, and they fit just perfectly. I had them facing the other direction, so I was thinking for videos that might be better, but it's really just, you know, it's not very good for the living room just because they just stick out so much. But like this, all I have to do is move the throne, and they fit perfectly between the TV and the records. So, yeah, it's really fun. Pretty cool stuff. And I hate to make a video like this where I don't actually play them, because I know some of you people who are watching this who've never seen my channel are probably like, well, you know, I want to hear the drums. But there's a lot of videos on YouTube already with these. I plan on doing something a little bit unique with them anyways, so it's going to take me a little while to put something together. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you're curious to see what I end up doing with these things. And my name is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, and I'll see you guys really soon.